The portable and intelligent Clarke IBC80 battery charger is suitable for use with 12 or 24-volt lead-acid batteries and can deliver up to 80 amps. It is designed for charging all types of lead-acid batteries, including wet, gel, maintenance-free, enhanced flooded and AGM up to 350 amp hours. It is suitable for supplying a long-term maintenance charge and also features an 80 amp boost mode in order to help start a vehicle with a flat battery. Buttons on the IBC80's front panel select between the modes available, including the charging voltage, charging current and boost mode. Once charge is selected, the charging indicator LED will light and the IBC80 will start its 10-step charging process. The charging indicator will remain on until charging is complete, at which time the charged LED will light. Some old and tired batteries can be recovered by utilizing the IBC80's repair mode. It is an advanced battery recovery mode especially designed for repairing old, idle, stratified or sulfated batteries. To minimize risks from the higher than normal voltages used in this mode, it should only be used with the battery disconnected from the vehicle. The start function is designed to give a quick boost to a tired battery, and it takes 5 minutes to complete. After this, it should be possible to start your vehicle. Another useful feature is Alternator Check, where the charger will show an estimation of the effectiveness of the vehicle's charging system. The IBC80's inbuilt microprocessor provides fast and safe charging and battery maintenance automatically. Its safety features protect against sparking, reverse polarity, short circuit, overcurrent, overcharge and overheating. Fuses are at the rear and spare fuses are supplied. With LED color indicators, reverse polarity and overcharge protection, maintenance charge and up to 20 amp continuous charging current with 80 amps boost, this capable, compact and lightweight charging solution will give you many years of service.